Hey folks, Bill here. Today we're going to wash this stinky, danky smelling sleeping bag in the washing machine. We'll unzip it and then we'll throw it in. So we got it unzipped. Now we're going to throw it in the washing machine. Not at all that difficult, right? So far, so good. All right, this is a synthetic bag. It's not down. Next thing we want to do is we're going to start the water. Actually, we're going to go. Let's put this on casual care. Water's starting to go. And we're just going to put a little bit of Dawn in there. And a little white vinegar. Maybe, I don't know, half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon. Just need a little bit. Now we're going to set it and forget it.
Forget about it.
All right, so we have it on load size. We have extra large, cold water. We don't have fabric softener in there, so that doesn't really matter. So we'll keep that off. And now we'll just wait. All right, we're currently rinsing. All right, it's rinse cycle. We'll check back in a little bit. All right, so that's one cycle. So now we're going to do another rinse cycle and see where we are. Everything stays the same. So we're just going to rinse it. We're not going to put any soap, nothing in there. Easy peasy. All right, let's take a look. Let's give it a smell. Give it the old sniff test. Don't smell bad at all. It smells actually a heck of a lot better. All right, we're going to go one more rinse. Throw this in there. Go one more cycle, and then we'll do the dryer. Again. There we go, everything else remains the same. All right. Well, we're stuck on something. What have we got? Oh, it smells so much better. Oh, so much better. All right, right, here we go. We're going in. We got 1. I think there was one in there already. 2, 3. A couple of dryer balls. And we will go casual. All right, see how that goes. Smells a heck of a lot better than it did. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let's take a look. See how we're doing. Ooh, ooh, that's there. All right, it's actually pretty dry. Timer's just about to go off, but we're gonna go a little bit more. About 15-20 minutes. To go about another 15-20 minutes, and that should be good. Cool. All right. I think we're good. That smells a lot better. I think the fill is pretty distributed. I think we did pretty good here. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.